She drove up to the gate. She had a rifle, and Rihanna, one of the biggest names on the planet, was home. Here's what we know. On Sunday afternoon, officers were dispatched to Rihanna's home in the Beverly Crest neighborhood, just north of Beverly Hills, after reports came in of shots being fired around 1 p.m. A woman allegedly fired several shots at the property from a white Tesla parked across from the front gate. Police say she fired 7 shots before speeding away. Rihanna was at home. Nobody was hurt, but multiple rounds hit the outside of the home, the front gate, and a vehicle parked out front. Officers located the suspect's vehicle about 8 miles away at the Sherman Oaks Galleria shopping center. She was taken into custody. On Monday, the LAPD identified the suspect as Ivana Lisette Ortiz, a 35-year-old woman from Orlando, Florida, booked on suspicion of attempting murder. Bail was set at over $10.2 million. Investigators are now looking into the possibility that Ortiz flew across the country specifically to carry out this shooting. The weapon used was an AR-15 style rifle. Ortiz has a criminal records in Florida showing several incidents of domestic violence going back to 2023. Any possible connection between Ortiz and Rihanna's or ASAP Rocky is unknown. Investigators have not established a link, and right now, no motive has been confirmed. And let's just sit with that for a second, because this is not a random neighborhood incident. One neighbor described hearing the gunfire erupt in what he called a nice, quiet Sunday afternoon, counting around 10 shots, and saying he could not imagine what it was like being inside the house, hearing bullet hitting the exterior. On social media, fans are reacting with a mix of relief and genuine fear, because Rihanna is not just an artist anymore. She is a mother, she has a family inside that home, and the thought of what could have happened in broad daylight in one of the most secure neighborhoods in Los Angeles has lots of people shaken. Security analysts are already pointing out that this case raises serious questions about the limits of residential security, even for high profile celebrities. When a determined individual travel across the country with a weapon and no apparent non connection to the target. The LAPD has confirmed they recovered the weapon. Ortiz is in custody. The investigation is active. Rihanna has not yet made a public statement, and right now, the one question that investigators and honestly everyone watching this story most want answer is a simple one. Why Rihanna? No answer yet, but we will keep you updated as this develops. Question of the day. Do you think celebrity home security needs a complete overhaul after incidents like this? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe to Fam Dispatch for updates on this story as they break.